Hello everyone, till now we have studied in EM2 subject the double integration topic, wherein we have studied how to find the double integration when the limits are directly given or when the limits are given in terms of regions and we need to find their intersecting point and then take a strip and then strip parallel to x-axis or y-axis and then find the integration. The next one was we have studied is uh, evaluation of double integration over the region, wherein we have studied the Cartesian coordinate system, then polar coordinate system questions also studied, right? Then next topic which we have studied is change the order of integration, right? That also been studied. Next concept that is after this, the next concept is Cartesian to polar coordinates. This is a part of evaluation of double integration, Cartesian to polar coordinates for a given integral. Now what happens sometimes, the question may be asked in Cartesian coordinate system, that is xy coordinate system, but the question is in the type or it contains terms such as x square, y square. In that case, we put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, then x square plus y square equal to r square, and dx dy will be replaced by r dr d theta. This already we have studied, but we have been given directly by the questions in terms of r and theta. Now herein sometimes what happens that we may change the system from Cartesian, that is xy coordinate system, to polar coordinate system. This happens when the function or the limit contains the terms in terms of used if the function or the limit contains the terms x square and y square, we put this the above substitutions, right? Let us see. Procedure is similar or simple. That's in step number 1 you have to understand the region. From the given limits for an x and y, find the region of integration. If you want, we can write that procedure is very simple. First of all, that from given limit for x and y, find the region of integration. Second will be change to r and theta. That is, use these substitutions, right? Then third one is limits of r and theta. You need to find the limits in terms of r and theta as well, right? Next will be fourth step will be integrand. You have to change the integrand as well by putting x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. The integrand to be converted into r and theta, and then also dx dy will be replaced by r dr and d theta. This is what the method is all about, right? Let us see the example based on this. Page number 27. Question number 1. Express the following integral express the following integral in polar coordinates and evaluate. See, one thing we have studied is wherein the question is itself is in terms of r and theta. So there we need to find we need to change it into r and theta and then solve it. The question is integration 0 to a integration ax minus x square to a square minus x square under root a square minus x square minus y square divided by dy into dx. Right? This question was asked in 2013 and 17 examination. Solution. First of all, if you notice, although they have already told you that you have to change it into polar and then evaluate, but if at all this question was asked that just evaluate this and they have not mentioned that you have to change into polar, you have to observe that the terms in this integrand are in terms of x square y square. Also the limit the inner limit are in terms of x square and y square or only x square, right? So first of all you have to understand if the terms are in terms of x square y square or limit are in terms of x square y square, then you have to it will be better if you change it into polar coordinate system and then solve it. So let us first of all understand the step number 1, region of integration. Of course the inner limit, these limits are of y because they are in terms of x. So क्या होगा? The first limit will be y is equal to root of ax minus x square, squaring both sides, y square equal to ax minus x square. Shifting them on the left hand side, this implies x square minus ax plus y square equal to 0. You have to combine these two terms in one bracket and make it a square. Let us see. Can I write this as x minus a by 2 whole square? What is the expansion of this? X square minus 2a by 2 into x plus a raised to 4 by 4, a square by 4. X square minus ax terms will be there, but one extra term added, a square by 4 plus y minus 0 whole square equal to a by 2 square. You have to write over here first minus a by 2 square, then you can shift on the right hand side, right? This is a circle with center at a by 2 comma 0 and radius a by 2, circle with center at a by 2 comma 0 and radius a by 2, right? Similarly the second term also, y is equal to root of a square minus x square, squaring both sides, this will be y square equal to a square minus x square, that is nothing but x square plus y square equal to a square, which is what? Is a circle with center at origin and radius a, right? Next is, these are the limit of x, if these are limit of y, then this, and x is equal to 0 is what? Y axis, and x is equal to a is a line parallel to y axis. Let us draw them. We have to first of all draw them, right? XY coordinate system. This is a by 2 comma 0 with radius a by 2. If this is my a by 2, this will be my a, right? A by 2 comma 0 and radius a by 2, this will be the circle. You can draw the whole circle as well. This is the first circle, a by 2 comma 0. Second circle is at the origin, right? Circle with center at origin and radius a. A means यहाँ से आएगा, ये अगर ये है तो a यहाँ पे भी होगा, right? So circle will be somewhat like this. आप सर्कल ही समझिएगा इसको, ऑल्दो मैं ट्राई तो कर रहा हूँ कि वो सर्कल दिखे, बट आपका जो रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन है वो क्या होगा वो देखना है आपको, राइट? दूसरा ये तो हुआ y varies from this circle to this circle, y varies from this circle to this circle, that means ये पूरा रीजन अगर माना जाए तो ये पूरा रीजन है सर्कल, इस सर्कल के बाहर का. बट द सेम टाइम ऑन द सेम टाइम x इज इक्वल टू 0 इज y एक्सिस, दैट मीन्स इतना पोर्शन और कट हो जाएगा आपका. सॉरी अगर आप नहीं देख पाए तो ये है आपका होल सर्कल. दिस इज द सेकेंड सर्कल, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर, एंड दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस ए बाई 2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए बाई 2 होल स्क्वायर, राइट? सो अगर आप देखेंगे तो इस सर्कल के बाहर और इस सर्कल के अंदर का रीजन था, लेकिन जब x इज इक्वल टू 0 आ गया तो ये हाफ सर्कल में आ गया. और दूसरा है x इज इक्वल टू a, राइट? दूसरा है x इज इक्वल टू a, दैट मीन्स दिस लाइन पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस समवॉट लाइक दिस. ये होगा आपका रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन है, इसके बाहर और इन दोनों के बीच में, यानी ये रीजन है आपका, दिस वन, इतना और इतना, इतना ही आपका रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन है, राइट? अगर मैं इसको यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करूँ तो ये समवॉट लाइक दिस, इतना ही रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन है. ये है x इज इक्वल टू a की लाइन. अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है ये भी वेल एंड गुड, नहीं आ रहा है तो ये इतना ही रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन है. दिस इज x इज इक्वल टू a, दिस इज a बाई 2, राइट? ये हुआ आपका रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. अब यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, चेंज टू आर एन थीटा करना है. चेंज टू आर एन थीटा क्या करेंगे आप? यू विल पुट x इज इक्वल टू आर कॉस थीटा, x इज इक्वल टू आर कॉस थीटा, y इज इक्वल टू आर साइन थीटा, देन दैट्स इट. आपका इंटीग्रेंट भी चेंज हो जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, जो आपका सर्कल है पहला एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए एक्स, ये वाला सर्कल, वो कैसा बन जाएगा? इन इफ आई पुट दिस वैल्यू इन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ax, इसमें अगर मैं पुट करता तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज आर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए इंटू एक्स. एक्स है हमारा आर कॉस थीटा, आर यहाँ से कैंसिल होगा तो बचेगा कितना? आर इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू कॉस थीटा. दिस इज योर फर्स्ट सर्कल. ये कौन सा सर्कल है? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू, दैट मीन्स ये अंदर का सर्कल, राइट? सो आप चाहिए तो आप इसको यहाँ से रीनेम कर सकते हो. दिस इज आर इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू कॉस ऑफ थीटा, राइट? नेक्स्ट है इन दूसरा सर्कल है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर, तो ये बन जाएगा आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर, राइट? दैट इज नथिंग बट आर इज इक्वल टू ए, क्योंकि आर एक डिस्टेंस होता है तो वो पॉजिटिव होगा, इसीलिए सेकेंड जो इक्वेशन है या सेकेंड जो सर्कल है उसका इक्वेशन होगा आर इज इक्वल टू ए, आर इक्वल टू ए, राइट? अब आते हैं हमारे लिमिट्स के लिए, राइट? अब अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो आपको एक रेडियल स्ट्रिप लेनी होगी. यू हैव टू टेक अ रेडियल स्ट्रिप and move from this point, that is theta is equal to 0 till theta is equal to pi by 2. So obviously theta के लिमिट होंगे 0 to pi by 2. एक स्ट्रिप होगी यहाँ से आपको मूव करनी है थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 से यहाँ तक. दैट विल कवर द एरिया बिटवीन दिस सर्कल एंड दिस सर्कल. दैट इज द रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. राइट. नाउ कंटिन्यूइंग दिस, नेक्स्ट है लिमिट ऑफ आर एन थीटा. Limit of r n theta. As you know that already we have found the limit of theta, right? Considering a radial strip, in the region of integration, we see that r varies from and theta varies from. देखते हैं अभी. सब थीटा तो हमने देख लिया है. थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 टू थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2. राइट. यहाँ पे r देखते हैं. r will vary from this circle, this equation to this equation. This is r equal to a cos theta to r is equal to a, and therefore the limit will be r varies from r is equal to a cos theta to r is equal to a. So these are the limit, right? Now we have to change the integrand. Integrand is, again we have to put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta in 1 upon under root a square minus x square minus y square, but that will be nothing but 1 upon under root a square. If I take minus sign common, then bracket, inside the bracket, this is x square plus y square, but x square plus y square is r square. So can I write instead of x square plus y square, r square? This will be your integrand. Also dx into dy is replaced by r dr d theta, right? So using these substitutions, these values, and these limit, your question will transform to I is equal to theta will be the limit of theta are in terms of constant, so they will be outside 0 to theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. Then next limit are r is equal to a cos theta to a. Then the integrand under root a square minus r square, and dx dy will be replaced by r dr d theta, right? Simplify this. We have integration 0 to pi by 2 as it is. Integration a into cos theta to a under root. Can I write this as, this is r dr, these are the limit of r, so you have to integrate with respect to r first, into d theta. Can I write this as a square minus r square raised to 1/2. Next step is you have to integrate the inner integral. You have to put a square minus r square equal to t. Right? There are other methods as well, you can try those as well. Differentiating with respect to t, this will become minus 2r dr is equal to dt. Therefore dr will become, r dr will become minus dt by 2, right? But when you are changing the variable, the limit from r to t, then you have to change the limit as well. You are changing the variables, so r dr will be minus dt by 2. Then when the limits, when r is equal to a into cos theta, then t will be put here a square minus, t will be a square minus a square cos square theta, right? You can take out a square common, so this is a square 1 minus cos square theta Either you keep this as it is, otherwise you can write 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. This is your first limit, lower limit. Then when r is equal to a, then t will be a square minus a square, that is 0. That means t will vary from a square sin square theta to 0, and therefore the integration becomes I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 as it is. This is a square sin square theta to 0 under root t r dr dt is minus dt by 2. You can take out minus 1/2 common, 0 to pi by 2. What is integration root t? That will be minus how much? T raised to 1/2 minus t raised to minus 1/2 plus 1 divided by minus 1/2 plus 1. That is t raised to 1/2 divided by 1/2. That will become t raised to 2t raised to 1/2 into dt. Minus sign already taken common, and you have to put the upper limit and lower limit from a square sin square theta to 0, right? 2 get cancelled, minus sign as it is, integration 0 to pi by 2 as it is. Put the upper limit in terms of t. This will become, you can write root t as well. So root 0 minus root a square sin square theta into dt. Dt already solved. Here only d theta remains. D theta. So d theta. Right. Next step. Minus sign as it is. 0 to pi by 2. This minus and this minus become plus. A square sin square theta, square get cancelled with square root, so this is a into sine of theta into d theta, right? A will be taken outside. What is integration sine theta minus cos theta, right? I guess minus cos theta, and then upper limit lower limit from 0 to pi by 2. Put the upper limit lower limit now. This will be a minus sign outside cos pi by 2 cos of pi by 2 minus cos of 0. This will be minus cos pi by 2 is 0 minus 1. So the answer will be E. Right? This is how you need to solve examples wherein the integrand or the limit are in terms of x square and y square. Question: evaluate by changing to polar coordinates. There are plenty of questions asked wherein you have to change the question into polar coordinates and then solve. 2012 and 16. The question is 0 to 1 x2 under root 2x minus x square plus y square into dy into dx, right? Solution: as you can notice, the integrand is in terms of x square, y square, and also the limit contains x square, so you have to change the limit. You have to change into polar, although they have already mentioned that you have to convert this question into polar and then solve, right? First of all, let us observe what is the region of integration. First of all, these are the limit of y because they are in terms of x. So y is equal to x is a line passing through origin, right? Passing through origin. Y is equal to under root 2x minus x square. Squaring both sides, this will give you, that is y square is equal to 2x minus x square that is nothing but x square minus 2x plus y square equal to 0. Again combine them, this will be x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. One extra term added, so you have to write 1 square, right? So is a circle with center at, थोड़ा जल्दी इसलिए कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज ये बहुत बार कर चुके हैं हम लोग. इट्स अ सर्कल विथ सेंटर एट 1,0 एंड रेडियस 1, राइट. नेक्स्ट है ये वाला, दिस दीज आर द लिमिट ऑफ एक्स. एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0 इज y axis, of course. X is equal to 1 is a line parallel to y axis, right? And thus the region of integration. अब आते हैं region of integration पे. This is your xy coordinate system. पहला सर्कल है 1,0 पे. वन कॉमा ज़ीरो पे है. अगर यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 2 होगा विथ रेडियस 1, राइट. सो 1,0 एंड रेडियस 1 समवॉट लाइक दिस. आई होप इट विल लुक लाइक अ सर्कल. नहीं दिखेगा, नीचे से थोड़ा सा इश्यू हुआ है यहाँ पे, देखते हैं आगे, अदरवाइज हम थोड़ा सा करेक्शन कर सकते हैं. देन नेक्स्ट है y इज इक्वल टू एक्स इज अ लाइन passing through the origin and making an angle 45, right? This is y is equal to x. Next is x is equal to 0, that is y axis, and x is equal to 1. ये अगर 1 है तो यहाँ से जाएगा और ऑब्वियसली वो यहाँ पे कट करेगा. दिस विल बी लाइक दिस. आप चाहिए तो उसको एक्सटेंड भी कर सकते हो. सो रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, ये लाइन और ये सर्कल, इन दोनों के बीच का रीजन, यानी ये रीजन, राइट, और ये लाइन और ये लाइन के बीच का रीजन, यानी इतना ही रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन होगा, राइट. अब आते हैं हमारे सब्स्टिट्यूशंस पे. दस द रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन विल बी ओ ए, सॉरी ये नहीं है, ए एंड बी, इतना ही रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन है हमारा. अगर आपको समझना है तो दिस इज समवॉट लाइक दिस, इतना ही रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन है हमारा, राइट. अब यहाँ पे हमको अगर स्टार्ट करना है तो वी नीड टू टेक अ रेडियल स्ट्रिप एंड देन वी हैव टू मूव इट, राइट, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट. आते हैं चेंज टू आर एंड थीटा पे. चेंज टू आर एंड थीटा. Putting x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta in your equation y is equal to under root 2x minus x square. y क्या है आपका, पुट करो इसमें. आपने इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया था, दैट इज x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2x बनता है. ये x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज r स्क्वायर. 2x is r cos theta. r get cancel and therefore your equation is 2 into cos theta. So जो सर्कल है उसका इक्वेशन है x is equal to, sorry, r is equal to 2 cos theta, right? Next है, if we put in y is equal to x, तो ये बनेगा r sin theta is equal to r cos theta. r get cancelled. That means sin upon cos equal to 1. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 1. That is tan theta is equal to 1. Right? That is tan theta 1 कब होता है? That is when theta is equal to pi by 4. So ये जो इक्वेशन है या जो ये पॉइंट है, थीटा विल बी pi by 4 here. आया समझ में? अब आते हैं अगले पॉइंट पे, पेज नंबर 30. page number 30. Continuing this, we have next is limits in Rn theta. Limits in Rn theta. Now limits in Rn theta, consider a radial strip just like this. अगर आपको यहाँ पे समझना है तो यहाँ पे समझिए, एक स्ट्रिप है यहाँ से तो यहाँ तक, इस कर्व तक मूव होगी. कंसिडर ए रेडियल स्ट्रिप in the region of integration, in the region of integration OAB, R will vary from this curve to this curve, right? Sorry, R will vary from 0 to this curve, right? यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और यहाँ तक आ रहा है, और ये है 2 cos theta. So R will vary, R varies from R is equal to 0 to R is equal to 2 cos theta. This is the theta will vary from, theta is equal to, इस कर्व यहाँ से तो यहाँ तक होगा, वो यहाँ पे पाई बाय 2 है, राइट? सो थीटा विल वेरी फ्रॉम पाई बाय 4 टू पाई बाय 2, right? Using these substitutions, now we need to change the integrand. Integrand become, putting x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Integrand become, integrand क्या है? x square plus y square becomes r square only, right? And dx dy will be r dr d theta, and therefore I is equal to pi by 4 to pi by 2. R will vary from 0 to 2 cos theta, then r square dr and d theta. Now integrate it. This is pi by 4 to pi by 2 as it is. What is integration r square? R cube by 3. सॉरी, यहाँ पे r रह गया है हमारा, r dr d theta है ना, तो ये बन जाएगा r raised to 4, r raised to 3 already. So we have to 2 cos theta r cube dr and d theta. Now what is integration r cube? Pi by 4 to pi by 2, r raised to 4 by 4 from 0 to 2 cos theta into d theta. Now put the upper limit, lower limit. 1 upon 4 you can take outside. Pi by 4 to pi by 2, r raised to 4, that will be 2 raised to 4 cos raised to 4 theta minus 0 into d theta, right? You can take out, this is 2 raised to 4, that is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4 again. Pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4 theta into d theta, राइट? यहाँ पे अगर 0 to pi by 4 या pi by 2 होता तो कुछ हम लोग सोच सकते थे बीटा गामा पे, लेकिन यहाँ पे लिमिट अलग है. सो यहाँ पे आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज़ करनी होगी. cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. cos square theta is 1 plus cos of 2 theta divided by 2, right? So this can be written as 4 into pi by 4 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos of 2 theta divided by 2 raised to 2 into d theta, right? Simplify this. This is 4 as it is. 2 square will come outside, so 4 again. Then integration from pi by 4, can you see it? Yes, pi by 4 to pi by 2, you have to expand 1 plus cos 2 theta, that will be 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta into d theta. Again simplify this. 4 get cancelled. What is the integration? 1 theta, integration 2 cos 2 theta, again you can use the same plus cos 2 theta. Here you have to write 1 plus cos right, this is right. Using this formula again, cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta, then cos square 2 theta will be 1 plus cos of 4 theta, double of this, right? If 1 theta then 2 theta, if 2 theta then 4 theta. So using the same substitution, this will become pi by 4 to pi by 2 as it is, 1 plus 2 cos of 2 theta plus 1 plus cos of 4 theta divided by 2, right, into d theta. Again you can separate this 1 upon 2 and 1, that will be added. So how much that will become? 1 plus 1 upon 2 is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta and cos 4 theta again. So 2 cos of 2 theta plus cos of 4 theta by 2 into d theta. Now just simplify this. We have what is integration 3 by 2? This will be 3 by 2 theta integration 2 cos 2 theta, that will be 2 into sin 2 theta divided by 2. So 2 get cancelled, only sin 2 theta. You can write 2 sin 2 theta divided by 2 plus cos of 4 theta will be sin of 4 theta divided by 2 and into 4. Now put the upper limit lower limit from pi by 4 to pi by 2. So this will be 3 by 2 inside pi by 2 minus pi by 4 plus 2 get cancelled, sin of 2 pi by 2 minus sin of 2 pi by 4 plus 1 upon 8 outside, inside sin of 4 pi by 2 minus sin of 4 pi by 4. Simplify this. This will be how much? Sin pi and sin pi by 2. How much? Sin pi is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. So this will be, this is 4 pi minus 2 pi divided by 8. So this is 3, 4 pi minus 2 pi is into 2 pi divided by 8 into 2, right? Plus this is 0 minus 1 plus 2 1s are 2 2s are, sin 2 pi is 0, sin pi is 0. So this is 1 upon 8, 0 minus 0. So simplify this, 2 get cancelled. So this is 3 pi by 8 minus 1 is your answer, right? After this topic or this example or this topic of changing the variable into polar coordinate and then solving the topic that is double integration is partially over. One important topic is remaining, that is finding the area of the region by double integration, right? That we'll discuss in the next lecture.